Yeah, they're not doing tape, and that means I don't have to align it also. It's like already aligned.
Right. Or you want to run the ones we got?
No, we should make sure you don't have any other mix changes for them before we do.
Listen to all that stuff. I think that was it. And then you check all the talking at the end.
It's supposed to be like simulations to show how.
So fresh and
He's got his robe on, look. Got the robe.
The shower.
Studio robe.
Absolutely wonderful. Amazing accommodations here. I'm glad. I feel like a king.
I'm ready to order some weed. Mr. Happy Face, what's his name? Mr. Smiley Face? You making deliveries over here? Is it legal in California?
I think you can get weed delivered.
You can?
Yeah.
Pretty sure.
What? At any hour?
You can get coke delivered. You can get able to do that since the 70s.
Yeah, they got all kinds of little delivery.
Who can we call, dude?
I don't know.
Who you gonna call?
Come on, man. Patrick knows.
I just doesn't smoke weed either.
I know, but he knows who to call.